An 8-foot ladder is leaning against a wall. The ladder makes an angle of elevation of 53 degrees. So we have 8-foot ladder, and it has an angle of elevation of 53 degrees with the wall. Find out how high the top of the ladder is from the floor up the wall. So therefore, we need to be able to draw a picture. First, we're going to draw the wall. I'm going to make it on the right hand side. We are assuming that this is a vertical line, that the wall is straight up and down. And we have a 8-foot ladder, and let's say this is going to be the floor. We are assuming that the floor is perpendicular to the wall. And we have an 8-foot ladder that's leaning. So this is 8 foot. This is 8 feet. Now, it says that it makes an angle of elevation. Be careful, it says elevation, so we know that he has to be elevated. So we're talking about this angle here. This one is 53 degrees. Find out how high the top of the ladder is from the floor, up the wall. So therefore we're looking for x. We are going to be standing here at the angle, so we're going to be using the 53 degrees. And we are going to be using the x because that's what we're looking for, and they give us the 8. According to the 53 degrees, this will be your opposite, and this will be your hypotenuse. Remember, we have sine, cosine, and tangent. Which one do I need to use? The sine, the cosine, or the tangent? Your sine is your adjacent over your hypotenuse, your opposite over your hypotenuse. Cosine is your adjacent over your hypotenuse, and tangent is your opposite over your adjacent. So in this case is the opposite, which is x. So the sine of 53 degrees is equal to your opposite, which is x, over your hypotenuse, which is 8. From here I need to leave the x by itself. I need to solve for x. So therefore I'm going to place it over 1. I'm going to cross multiply. 1 times x is x, and 8 multiplied by the sine of 53 degrees. I'm going to go ahead and type this into the calculator, and that will give me my answer. So we have 8 multiplied by the sine of 53 degrees. I'm going to close my parentheses, and that will give me my solution. So in this case it will be 6.39. So x is equal to 6.39 feet. So therefore your answer is B.